Without the heart, organs in the body simply would not get the resources they need and they would suffer. So the heart is probably one of the most important muscles we have. Now the tubes that transport blood to the heart are known as coronary arteries. Now over time, various substances like LDL cholesterol and other things collect in these arteries and form these little barriers known as plaque. Now this plaque substance is usually hard on the outside and sort of like gooey on the inside, and it's very easy for the outside to tear, and when it happens, something called platelets come along and repair the damage, and this kind of adds to the blockage even more. And this whole blockage isn't good because, well, it restricts blood flow, and blood is like life. So less blood going to organs makes it so those organs don't do their job as well. Now, if complete blockage takes place, then that will bring about a heart attack. And that's when a part of the heart actually dies and will bring about pretty much death to somebody. Now, not everyone that has a heart attack has symptoms like they do in the movies. Sometimes there are no symptoms. Now, when something goes wrong in your body, what do you think is the first thing that's going to take place? Probably some pain, right? So one of the first symptoms is probably going to be some pain in the whole chest area, and it can expand to the arms, the neck, even the back area. Now their main symptom would be shortness of breath, as blood doesn't go to the lungs. Also, a person can experience a feeling of fullness, nausea, indigestion, as well as some sweating. Now since the heart isn't working properly, more problems can develop as blood doesn't go to the brain. And it's going to result in someone being dizzy, confusion, lightheadedness. Now one of the good news about a heart attack, if there is any good news, is that often there's some symptoms that can take place before the heart attack even takes place. It happens. Like warning signs. Now the earliest warning sign is probably going to be some chest pain. And if someone does experience some chest pain, the best thing they could do right away is to take some aspirin. Now if you're wondering if you should chew it or swallow it, the best answer would be to chew it. Now if you do want to prevent a heart attack, one of the best things you could do is, of course, live a healthy life. This means exercising frequently, getting good sleep, managing stress, as well as eating a healthy diet and not a lot of bad cholesterol and processed foods and stuff like that. Now, if you're interested in herbal remedies to help, there's a bunch of them to help. It's a lot. Polycosanols, great. Omega-3 fats, multivitamins, ginkgo biloba helps with blood flow. It's an amazing herb. There's a huge list. Now, many of these herbal remedies someone can easily get through a dietary supplement, which are great. Dietary supplements can be amazing, but there are a lot of risks involved. For example, in many countries, government regulations on them are very, very loose. And what this means is it's easy for companies to push products out there that are low quality and actually can do more harm than good. They also don't have to inform customers of any negative side effects with any of the supplements. And they don't have to prove that they're safe before selling it. So there's a lot of risk, but there's a lot of benefits. To make your life a little bit easier in your whole goal and search of finding supplements to improve your health, I recommend viewing a free report I wrote all about the topic of choosing supplements to help with your health. Now, a few things you'll learn in this report will be how to identify a good supplement brand from a risky one. 10 red flags about that, a risky choice. It talks about various herbal remedies to consider, as well as what to avoid. It goes over what to take for various medical conditions, and even some online resources to make your job a little bit easier. The best part is it's completely free, so you have no excuse not to at least check it out. All you gotta do is simply click on the link right below this video. Well, I hope this video helped a few people out there. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.